Hey y'all, so today we are doing a DIY of my office. Okay, so let me show y'all. This is the office I've been working in for the past 2 years. And it's really, you can see my tulips in the back. I've really been trying to get flowers. Anyway, this is the office I've been working in. It's very messy right now. You can see the boxes I've been using. This has like nothing but papers in it. This, I was using it for like a dresser. Um, I really need to rearrange my closet. Then I have all these cords and all of this. And this is a bookshelf that was basically all the apartments have a bookshelf like this in the apartment buildings. Every apartment building has this bookshelf built in. So I really just want to rearrange all of this mess, honestly, and make it look presentable because I cannot work like this. So most of my stuff I bought was on Amazon. I bought all my stuff on Amazon, even the bookshelves that I will be building. So I'll make sure I link everything in the bio and let's get started on this whole mess. So if you don't know, I work from home. So like most of my stuff I work from home. My job, I probably only have to go into my job at least maybe like once or twice a month. Not even, I would say, not even the most. It's twice a month. The minimum is probably once a month. And sometimes we do not go in the office at all during the months. So, like, most of my work is done at this desk, and I stay at this desk all day. And then on top of that, like, I create videos, I have like content I'm doing, YouTube videos, Instagram reels, TikTok, creating posts. And so this is like my desk and it's kind of like my space. And I was originally supposed to be moving this year. This year I was supposed to be moving into a new apartment building so I can have more space for my office because I wanted to do like a whole office makeover, you know, make it aesthetically pleasing for me and like my videos and make sure like I have consistent background for my videos. So that's something that I wanted to do when I moved into my new apartment this year. But turns out I'm not moving into a new apartment this year. I decided to be smart and it doesn't make sense to save, $5,000 to move into a new apartment building when you can save that money to buy a house. So I decided, you know what, let me just save my money and instead of saving for apartment, why don't I just continue to save for a house? So that is my plan. Hopefully, we are moving into a house very soon. I don't know when it will be, whether it's this year or next year, but I need to make this place a little bit more homey since I'm going to be here for a little while long. I purchased was this, it's like a drill set. Now I'm about to be building this stuff. I don't know what to do, how I'm gonna do it, but this is what I bought. Okay. Now hopefully I really hope like we're going to clear this whole section out and do what we need to do. I don't know what I'm doing, but I know I can get this done. So like this is the drill set from Amazon. I will link everything. Okay, the battery's not in yet. But like I for sure definitely know how to like do most of it. I really hope I don't have to charge this because it looks like someone used it. Look at the bottom of it. I don't know. That just looks like to me someone used it. Okay, it's charged up. So we're going to actually take this out. Oh, wait, let me see. I want to charge it while I'm setting everything else up because I'll be mad if it just stops working in the middle of me doing what I need to do. So next, I bought a extension cord piece. So I'm not going to be talking for the rest of this video, just to let you know. So let me just show y'all all the stuff I bought, and then you can look at me make whatever I'm making. So this is, it's like a cord saver. It has cords here, has cords here, and all there. I have a lot of cords down there, so I was like, yeah, I need that too. This is a cord. I don't know if you can see that, but you see it. Basically, it stores all the cords in one second, so all the cords don't look like it's wishy-washy. What is this? Oh, I bought lights. So, y'all, hopefully all this stuff, I'm telling y'all, hopefully these lights, hopefully the stuff, I really hope it looks good. I am waiting on another dresser drawer to go under here. And then I bought these acrylic thingies, so hopefully these fit in the drawer. If not, I'm always good for Amazon return. So stay with me. I am going to be building. So let me show y'all the final touches to this bookshelf office, okay? It's a built-in bookshelf, and I installed them. So first, lights, okay? Just in case I want to work at night and don't want to have this ugly yellow light on. Y'all can see it's yellow, white light. This is my work computer. Second screen is my MacBook. So like, I definitely need a printer, so my printer is probably going to go here. My iPad normally stays in my room. I'm going to keep this as my mail drop-off area, honestly. Behind my computer is just that. Nothing really special. And then laptop, and this is my, camera case. Now this is the best we can do because there is no room in this apartment where a desk can fit and I could do a whole office shindig. I can't do that here. So we need to incorporate the desk and how we can do it and it look organized. So down here we need some light. Okay. So I have like boxes up here. This is like my print and shipping boxes. Like I have like this scale, the roller, printer paper, and like the thermal printer there. This is my Becker books, Robert Wood to order. I have 8 drawers and I need all of them. I definitely need to dust this because you see all my fingerprints. But yeah, so this is honestly nothing really in these 2 drawers, but down here is like honestly camera stuff. All this camera, more camera equipment, postal stuff. This one is actually organized. And some receipt books and just important stuff. So this is it.